So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this module, that is get started with trailblazer quest. So first of all, here if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here I have shared all the details about the modules. You can check the description video for it. Now here basically we will complete each module step by step, and then you will be able to get the badge and get a chance to win the hoodie. So let me show you the step. Now for remaining courses, I have already uploaded the playlist and videos. You can check it out. Now here we will be opening the basically AI plus data project planning. So basically we'll cover these all three modules of this lab. So just open the first lab. Basically it has quizzes. You have to just read the concepts and try to answer these quizzes which are present. So try to read the question and let's answer it. So you have read. Now for the second one. Similarly, we are done with this module. Now we have to open the second module. Just open it. Again, do the same thing. Read the concepts. And just answer these two questions. Like this. And you have to just click on verify checkpoints. Now again, the third questions. You will have an option below verify points. You have to just click on it. Okay. So that's how we completed this current module. And for other projects, you can see I have already made the playlist. You can check it out. You can also subscribe the channel too. So basically we have completed this particular module. Now you need to complete all the remaining steps, and once you complete all the steps, we will be getting this trailblazer badge, and that's how we have to complete this quest. Let me show you my channel. If you are interested in other challenges where you can win free t-shirts, etc. Yesterday only I have posted some of the videos. You can check it out and complete this challenge. That's all about today.